everyone, I hope you're doing great. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you about two apps that can help you improve your communication skills. These apps are free. They are very useful if you don't have a speaking partner. When you are free or feeling idle, you can practice using this app. I want to tell you one thing. If you practice on this app regularly for 1 hour, at least 1 hour, you will definitely notice improvement in your speaking style. I show everything practically. First, I explain how to use the peer app with the screen recording, how to open it, and how to practice on it. But before that, I will tell you one thing. There are two applications, peer app and episode app. Peer app is a audio call and episode application is a video chat. You can speak with a native speaker. In this application, you can connect with people through video chat, which help you practice real life English conversation. If you use both application, peer and this application, I suggest you one important thing: record your video while speaking. After recording, you watch your video and evaluate yourself. How many mistakes I make? How many mistakes did I make? Where did I hesitate? Which word or sentence were wrong? Then correct those mistakes and try again, because this self-evaluation will help you to improve your communication and improve your confidence, fluency and accuracy. Because whenever you connect with native speaker, you learn something new. Because their accent, the way he spoke, they also, I'm not saying they are very pro. I'm not saying they are very advanced speaker, but the confidence is very good. They're able to speak everything because they are confident enough. But when we are speaking, we hesitate. We hesitate because of many reasons. Judgment, basically. Fear. It's a lot of things. So I will show you how to use this application. First, you have to open this application, peer app. Then start human call. Start searching and find perfect partner. Hello.
Hello,
Hi. Hello.
am I audible?
You're audible.
Okay, actually,
Yeah.
currently I am in train. As the reason I am asking.
Okay. So are you outside right now?
Yeah, currently, I am from Indore, MP, and currently I am going to Noida.
I already, I already, I already. First, you have to open this application, Absiden, and then join room. You have to enter your mail. If you install this application, first you have to enter your email and I think number also, and then you have to join now and stay face to face during conversation. And now it is.
Yeah,
Yes, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Where are you from? Indonesia.
Yeah, Indonesia. I live in capital city. What about you? You live in New Delhi?
No, I am from India. And
Yeah, I mean the city.
city, yes, I'm living in Uttar Pradesh. If you know.
I don't know. I just know New Delhi. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Have you ever been
Yeah.
India?
Not yet.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
what are you doing? Are you student? You're working profession?
I'm working.
You're
What about
working.
you?
I'm a student right now. I'm doing masters.
Masters.
Yes.
So probably we at the same age, isn't it?
Might be. I think you are 23, 22,
Yeah, 23.
23. I'm 22.
22 and you do master?
Yes.
Okay, that was fast. What master?
I'm right now. I'm doing economics, master in economics.
Economy.
Yeah.
Did you learn about global economics?
Yeah, Indian economy, macro both about GDP, GNP.
Oh, GDP. So what is the best GDP right now?
I think I don't know about India is 7.6 something like that in India
So
7.
probably it's a US, right? Like the best GDP.
Best GDPs depend on country to country.
If we're talking about the world, which one the top
Top,
in the top?
seriously, I don't know which one is top, but might be America, yeah, like that. America, yeah, maybe, not sure.
Hmm. I see. I see. So do you like watching, American movie or something or no?
Not at all. Like,
I not.
nah. I love Indian movie, but if I get a time to watch, yeah, like Spanish movie with English subtitles.
Okay, okay. I do watch Indian movie.
Which movie is your favorite?
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Yeah, that movie is great.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan.
Kuch Shahrukh Khan. Yeah, everything with Shahrukh Khan, it's the best. And also Three Idiots. Is Three Idiots.
Like, and you also love, if you watch that movie, Tare Zameen Par.
Yeah.
That
Tara.
movie,
Like the movie's great though.
yeah. So, in the end, I want to tell you one thing, both applications are best. You use both of them. For half hour, you can speak on peer app, and for half hour, you use episode and app. So, both of them are own benefits. So, thank you so much, and just try to use these applications. Thank you.